Oh, I get it. Why don't we drive as slow as we can? That's probably a great idea.
Feeling powerless when it comes to bad drivers?
There's got to be a better way.
Well, there is, with the Road Rager. This new, easy-to-use product allows you to rage more effectively. Hi, I'm Joe King, and I'm here to tell you about the amazing new product known as the Road Rager. Do you find yourself becoming easily angered by the drivers around you? Unable to express yourself? Well, just mount the Road Rager onto your car, and we guarantee your voice will be heard.
I hate you! I hope you die! Go slower, why don't you? You f***ing
Here's the inventor himself, Dirk Calloway, to explain this amazing new product. Hi, Dirk.
Thanks, Joe. I'm Dirk Calloway, and I'm going to show you how to use the Road Rager. After easily assembling the Road Rager, simply talk into the speaking mechanism to begin broadcasting. After positioning the broadcasting hub, an EMF signal will be sent out and relayed to the stereo systems of nearby cars.
Still not convinced? Well, listen to these real people as they describe their experiences using the Road Rager.
I was spending thousands of dollars in therapy. Uptight driver, spending too much time on the roads, drivers everywhere. And now my life is completely changed. I found the Road Rager. When someone ticks me off, all I do is pick up the phone and let them have it. It is so freeing. My life is I've said goodbye to my therapist.
I'm so used to having to get out of my car and beat people up. With the Road Rager, I can just do it from inside my car verbally. It's great. My mom has never been more afraid of me.
Experience the joys of owning a Road Rager today for only 4 easy payments of $39.99. Call now and receive this instructional DVD narrated by Dirk Calloway, absolutely free. Still not quite convinced? Take a look at the Road Rager in action via a hidden camera.
Think you can cut me off? You are making a big mistake, mister. I am gonna follow you home. I'm gonna slash your tires. I'm gonna take your children for a ride.
Experience the joys of owning a Road Rager today. Don't wait. Call now and receive our exclusive TV offer. Not 4 payments, but 3 easy payments, $39.99, and the free instructional DVD narrated by Dirk Calloway. But wait, there's more. Call in the next 5 minutes and you'll receive a Road Rager bike version at no extra cost. That's a total retail value of over $400 for less than 1/3 of the price. If you're not completely satisfied with your Road Rager package, return it all for a full refund, but keep the Road Rager travel version as our gift to you.